A Time to Be Grateful, an online conference and virtual vendor extravaganza, December 10th through the 12th, 2021, hosted by the Atlanta Masjid of Al Islam. The theme, Al-Inshara, resilience, restoring, refocusing, replenishing. How to use the event app. To be a part of the full experience, download the Whova app. To find the app, go to your Apple Store on your phone for iPhones or go to the Play Store on your phone for Androids and download the app. What to expect from the app and why are we asking you to use it? Number one, the app is free for all attendees. Here you can keep your privacy even though you have downloaded the app. You can exchange digital contacts with one another, network beyond the event and before the event. You can interact with the speakers, the vendors, the sponsors. You can also share on social media. You can get real-time event updates, and you can use your computer or your cell phone for the event. You don't have to just use your cell phone. But we have something for the whole family. So remember, we want everyone to attend A Time to Be Grateful this year. So please be sure to upgrade your experience by connecting your computer to your TV. For more instructions on that, visit us either on YouTube, atlantamasjid.com, or muslimjournal.net. A few tips and tools before we leave. Please use the email you used to register for the conference to log into the app. Once you log into the app, the Muslim Journal A Time to Be Grateful conference should appear on the app. When you click on it, go ahead and get started with our icebreaker questions. Start getting to know other people that are attending the conference right now. And we hope to see you this weekend because it's always a time to be grateful.